Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Ooh, do we got another great video for you tonight. We're going to be taking a 2-inch caveman ribeye steak that I cut off a standing rib roast and debone it using the Victorinox 6-inch boning knife. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase your own Victorinox 6-inch boning knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, the official name of this is the Victorinox 6-inch curved Fibrox Pro boning knife. This is the semi-flexible one. There's one that is really flexible. It also comes in a straight blade if you don't want the curvature of the blade. But I really think that if you're going to be cutting into meat, especially deboning, that curve really helps you get in and around bones very easily. Now I just want to show you how much flex you can expect from a semi-stiff blade here. Now if this is a little bit too stiff for you, I'm not putting much pressure on there. You want to go with the flexible one. But I like this one. Victorinox does use their own secret Swiss steel here, and it is a stamped steel that's cut out by a laser. That enables them to have that nice curvature of the blade and the thinness. It is a mid to high carbon stainless steel, which means it's going to have really great corrosion resistance, very easy to sharpen. And of course, back here toward the handle, we have the NSF stamp with the circle, which is National Sanitation Foundation, which means that these knives are consistently tested and meets or exceeds NSF standards for cleanability, sanitation, and food preparation. Now I know this knife might look a little bit crazy with the curved blade. Remember, it is available in a straight blade as well, and it might look a little bit clumsy with this fat grip on here, but that's what makes it so well balanced between this thick grip and this nice curved thin blade. But if you're wondering how much it weighs, coming in at around 3.3 ounces, and that weighs almost as much as a full deck of playing cards. And if you're wondering about the overall length, here it is next to a 12-inch ruler. So it's just about the same length as a 12-inch ruler. Let me get you a close-up of these Fibrox grips so you can see the texturing. You can see the Victorinox logo branded on there. Look at that texturing. It does get fairly tacky as it gets wet. Slight palm swell out on the sides. Feels very comfortable in the hand. Have a hook back here for a little bit more security. Finger guard up front. There's even a place here to place your thumb if you're going to be using it in a pinch grip versus like a hammer grip. And it's so well balanced. Alright, here is the chunk of ribeye that we took off the roast. Just one bone in here. And what we're going to do today is just cut this rib off. And you can go as close to the rib as you want. Maybe you want to leave a little bit more meat. And some people want to do that because they want to season it and cook it separate from the steak itself. And some people want to use the bones for broth. But that's what we're going to do, is cut that rib out. Whew, look at the size of this thing. Let's get to the cutting. And once again, guys, you can just tell by the shape of this blade that it's meant to cut through meat so effortlessly and cleanly. Alright, let's see. Just gonna bring this up here and see if I can just start a little bit here. And once we got this flap here, you can kind of start to peel it back like that. And kind of feel your way right against that bone there. Maybe you can, yep. Okay. And peel it back like that. And then just work your way across it. Position it like that. Not putting much effort into it, just letting the blade do all the work. And eventually, you come out right on the other side. Right, so we have a nice steak here and the rib here. Chunky. Also going to cut off some of this fat right here because that's just a little bit too much. That's just a little bit too much. Okay, we'll cut off some of that. Trimming again, very easy with a boning knife. Maybe a little bit some up here. And we got a little bit more on this side. Okay, we'll take some of that off. Now, the real hardcore people won't throw this away. They'll use this to fry down, render it, and use the oil for cooking. The last area I'm going to trim off is this lip here. And most of the time when you see a ribeye in the store, it looks like that. And they trim off this massive chunk of fat back here. So we're just going to come in here and just kind of follow right around. And easy as that. Now we got a nice steak. If you like to, you can fry it, roast it like this, or you can cut it in half. Beautiful. Once again, guys, this has been the Victorinox 6-inch curved Fibrox Pro boning knife. If you're looking for the right tool to just glide through meat with the real high quality steel that's going to last a lifetime, this might be the one for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.